Hi guys, we're here in the Dreamland Aqua Park. So we're standing in front of the entrance door. Now we will pay some money and get our tickets and go in for some tour. So now here we have this teddy bear to make us feel comfortable. And here we have this internal code. Now I'm here in the Dreamstream bridge. So this is all the bridge, and there it is, the kids water park. And now this Dreamstream bridge will go all through the park to show some slides and some pools. And now I'm going to walk here and show you some drinks shop in the pool. So here now we reach here, and you see there are shops here, like drink shops in the pool. The shop was on the other side. Now I'm making a tour again, and I'm going to the other side now, and I just showed you that pink and blue slides. And this is where people sit, and this is the cold water. This is kids play aqua, and this is my sisters and my mamu. So now we will go here inside and have some fun with my sisters and all of others. So here, this is cold water. We can relax, have some fun. These are the slides with tubes. 2% tubes is also there. So the 2% tube is for the black hole, and this pink and blue slides are without tube. You have to go alone with no one else. It's only one person slide. Blue one looks scary, doesn't look scary, but the yellow one looks scary. But I feel like blue one's not scary. A person's coming down. He was fine, but then he did not even sink. If I would be there, I would sink in like 3 seconds. So now I will take you to another tour. This is the yellow slide where my mamu is coming from, the yellow slide. And here he goes. He's going to go down and sink. See, like that. So he went there, and then now he came back down. Now this is some sitting area too, where people can sit and watch some slides, watch phone, take rest, and do anything they want. So after that, I will show you this two people slide with the tube. It's called black hole. Now here we are going to the 4 people slide, the dragon one, but people only go one by one at a time. So here let's go up the stairs and have some fun watching it. Now this is my sister and my mamu coming down from the black hole. Here they go, and it was kind of fun, and I also love it. This is the lifeguard watching us all. Are we okay? Are we safe and all? And they do safety too. This is the map where you want to go, which slides you want to go in Dreamland Aqua Park. There's park maps. You can see what are in this aqua park. Like there is a praying room, toilets, changing room, and all of that. And now let's go walk and find the other door. Here now we're here at the waves. It's called waves with the safety jacket. This is me sitting in the tube. When the waves are going to start, we will go backwards even when we're French. That's kind of fun. And now these are babies sitting, and let's go to another place now. Oh, this is the life jackets in any size, small people size, big people size, adults too. And this is the yellow slide I told you before about. So the lifeguard's not here, but the lifeguard's inside watching everyone here. So now let's go somewhere else. Oh, now this is the kids area also. There are so many kids area here. It's like 1.5 meters too. Now this is Dreamstream bridge again. So this is all the Dreamstream bridge. People are going to come in tubes. This is the 2.5 meter deep the water, and it's only alone. You will go inside and then then you will turn around and then fall straight in the water. Now this is the kids area again with the swing in the water, the slides, and that's type like a rain. So now let's have some fun of watching all of this and making all of the videos. Please watch my videos to have some entertainment. Now we're here at this this is like a dead sea. Dead sea. So this is the Dead Sea. Now we're here to the swimming pool again. Now this is the playground for kids, like volleyball or football, everything. It's a playing pool. The playing pool was for men's and all. Now this is the yellow slide again, and my uncle coming down from it. 3, 2, 1, go. Here he goes. Blue one's so scary. So now this is the black hole again with me and my other uncle too. So Malak Arslan coming with Jannat. Now this is my dad coming down from the blue slide, and he wanted to experience the blue slide. It looks fun and also so scary and crazy. It's full dangerous in this blue slide. And 3, 2, 1, go. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3. Here he comes. Big boss coming. So this was how he experienced the blue slide. Now here I come from the big hole, black hole. So this is me standing on the stand there. So now I will come down from that black hole slide. Here I come. Now this is me with my other uncle. See Sherry with Jannat Fatima. Now this is the slides too. That's fun with a 1-person tube. These are 5 slides, and now there's tourists coming. They're going to take the tube and go up to the slide. Now they're coming down, like, look, they took the tube and then they will go up the slide. They are coming down right now, and they go splash in the water. See? So now the other person came taking tube, and they will be doing same and same. So this is how this 5-person slide works with all this. Now we're here. We took view from up to show you how fun it is. They all splashed in the water. Now this is my Mamu. He's showing the view from itself. Look how fun it is. This is Malik Samir vlogger, and now this is how fun it is in this water park. Now this is the 2-people slides. There is a big crowd, and we will show you how this 2-people slide goes. So here their daughter and father are going down the slide. So that's why now we're going to show you. It is fun. Now there goes. Now this is how they went to this white slide, and it is kind of fun. It also goes zigzag from the middle. See, now they're going down. This one's also fun, and then they will splash in the water there. Now this is the green and yellow slide where it's fun with only 1 person with no tube. And now they came down from here. Look. From this slide, the white one, they came down. And now let's show you the water fountain. This is a fountain. Now this is Snack Attack, some like very expensive shops. So now this is the children play area again. There is 3 or 4 children play area again. See, Aqua Baby small pool. You can also take small people there. So this is the Dreamstream bridge here, and like I told you, it will go all around it. and now this is all the view from up from the bridge. So now I'm going to show you some other things. See these beautiful trees that gives us oxygen to breathe. Now here there is Mamu and my sisters again. One of my sister is trying to do float, and I learned her how to with Mamu princesses. So this is all the people here having fun, and this is my Mamu underwater. And so now see here, I'm showing the view from up for look these slides and all, and they are kind of fun review side. So look here, this is the slide, and it will go down and down and down again and again. The slide I talked to you about was the yellow and green. That are the yellow and green. Now look at these sea, the natural sea here. This is natural sea also, and this trees again to give oxygen. See, look how beautiful it is in Umal Quwain. See the kids area park, and look here the water fountain I told you about. Look how beautiful it is in Umal Quwain. You should also try it out. Look, now I'm standing here on the big slides to show you the view. Look how beautiful it is. It is expensive, the ticket is expensive, but when you get in there it feels like you will never go outside. And look, now there's tourists going down the slides and all, and that's kid area again, and this is all the view I'm showing you. Now here in Umal Quwain there is so much trees, we can take so much oxygen, and there is so much green natural trees and all. Look, we all are having so fun. With all these trees we can survive. So this is all the trees I love here, and the most interesting part here is that the trees are more to give us oxygen and all. So you see there is water coming from the mountain, and now this is all the fun things and the green nature of course, and now there are tourists coming to go up the slide with the tube. So okay, now we will go down like I showed you the view here. So we are going down, and let me show you some other parts too. Now we're coming down the stairs. The only problem is the stairs are too long. And now this is my Mamu Malak Samir vlogger. He's showing you the the view from the back side. Look, the slides, the water fountain, and now this is the waves, like the kids area. Yeah, this is the kids area here. These are big slides too in the kids area if big people wants to take slides also. And this is kids pool aqua play. So this is all I love here. This is for small people like my small twin sisters. And now look, these are the shops in the water. Now look, we're going somewhere else to show you the other view of this aqua park. It's fun here, and it's like you can love it. You never want to go out. So now this is the speaker for music, and there are lights that kids can stay safe. Now this is the bridge that I told you. It can show you the whole park. It's like a circle. See, this is the other side. So now we're going to leave. So these are the teddy bears again that's comforting us that we're happy to leave. And at 7 o'clock it closes. Okay, good luck. Bye. Have fun, and like, share and subscribe to my vlog. Hi, see you teddy bear. So bye. I will make more vlogs until you watch this, and until we have more subscribers and more views on one video. So like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching my vlog.